In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create professional invoices with FreshBooks. Start by heading to the FreshBooks website and logging into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Create New button. This is your starting point for building anything billable. Click it and choose Invoice to open a fresh invoice draft. Before you enter details, take a moment to make it look professional. Select Customize Invoice Style to tailor the design to your brand. Add your logo, pick an accent color that matches your business, and choose a clean, readable font. You can adjust the layout so your business information, client details, and totals are easy to scan. Keep the design consistent with your other materials so clients instantly recognize your brand. Small choices like using a calm color palette and plenty of white space go a long way toward a polished, trustworthy feel. When you're happy with the look, click Done to apply those changes to the invoice. Now, fill in the invoice details. Confirm your business information is correct, then select the client you're billing so their name, company, and contact email populate accurately. Set the invoice date and choose a clear due date or payment term, like net 15 or net 30, so expectations are obvious. Add an invoice number that fits your existing numbering sequence to keep your records organized, and include a reference or purchase order if your client uses one. In the Itemize section, add each product or service. Use clear descriptions, enter quantities and rates, and double-check your math. If you collect tax, apply the correct tax rate to the appropriate lines. If you're offering a discount, add it as a line or percentage so it displays transparently. Review the currency and any regional settings if you work with international clients. In the Notes or Terms area, include helpful context such as what the work covered, how to pay, and what happens if payment is late. Clear terms reduce back and forth later. Give everything a final review. Make sure names are spelled correctly, totals look right, and the design reads cleanly from top to bottom. When you're ready, either save the invoice so you can come back to it later, or send it directly to your client. If you choose to send, include a concise subject line and a friendly message that summarizes what the invoice covers and the due date. That's it. Your professional FreshBooks invoice is ready to go.